Is this the perfect backpack for your daily grind? The Maverick & Co. Forte Light Backpack in Black promises to be a lightweight, durable, and organized solution for carrying all your essentials. Let's dive in. First impressions are good. The backpack feels surprisingly light, which is a huge plus if you're carrying it around all day. The material seems durable and water-resistant, giving you some peace of mind when you're caught in unexpected rain. The smart pocket design is where this backpack shines. There's a dedicated space for everything, from your laptop and tablet to your phone, wallet, and keys. No more digging around in a bottomless pit. It's clear that Maverick & Co. put some thought into the organization of this bag. The design is sleek and minimalist, making it suitable for both professional and casual settings. It doesn't scream tech backpack, which is a nice change of pace. The black colorway is classic and versatile, pairing well with any outfit. But is it comfortable? Absolutely. The shoulder straps are padded and adjustable, distributing the weight evenly across your shoulders. The back panel is also designed for breathability, preventing that dreaded sweaty back situation. Overall, the Maverick & Co. Forte Light Backpack is a well-designed and functional backpack that lives up to its promises. It's lightweight, durable, water-resistant, and offers smart organization for all your essentials. If you're looking for a reliable everyday carry, this backpack is definitely worth considering. It might just be the ultimate solution for staying organized and comfortable on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.